Um, let's just start with the basics. Where are we right now as a country in the battle against COVID-19? If you were asked for a status report, what would you say?
I would say it's a mixed bag, Judy. I mean, obviously, if you look at their numbers, they're very serious and very concerning. Uh, we've had now over 185,000 deaths, 6+ million infections. If you look at the country, a large heterogeneous country, there are some areas that are doing really very well right now, particularly those that got hit badly early on. For example, the New York City metropolitan area has for at least a month now been less than 1% test positivity. In contrast, in other parts of the country, particularly what we saw in some of the southern states that had big surges when they try to open up the economy, that brought our baseline number of daily infections up from 20,000 a day up to as high as 70,000. We're back down now to between 30 and 40,000. And just as those states are starting to level off and come down, which is a really good sign, we're starting to see the beginning of surges in places like Montana, the Dakotas, Michigan, Minnesota, Iowa. So it's really a mixed bag, Judy. Some areas are doing really well, and some are still threatening to have surges. So it's not an easy situation for us.
So if someone were to say we're rounding the final curve on this, what would you say?
Well, it depends if you pick the location of the country and saying that it could be true. But if you look at the country as a whole, we need to be doing much better than we're doing. That's for sure.